So Indu's harnessing up. There's catcher. Next flyer. That's Indu.
Ready. Up. Hands off. Catching. Here. And grab. Good.
Well, she makes it look easy.
So they're actually making the exchange with her still on the trapeze. So they're actually making the exchange while she's still on the trapeze. She's not like
yeah, she's
out
not
of space.
swinging through space.
Yeah, she's just grabbing on.
Right. That's why I think it helps to be tall or something. I don't know.
I think probably
Well,
the person
you can
just
get more
to you.
distance.
Well, you just think the trapeze is higher.